Alright guys, check it out. I got a new exhaust for my car. I found this while I was on Facebook, just like searching up like random exhausts. And I saw the shape of it and I was like, oh, that's a like Eclipse GSX all-wheel drive like looking shape. And I looked at it. Turns out it is. It's a, I don't know if you can tell what it says, but it says HKS Super Dragger. So I'm gonna install this one on my car. To clean it, I'm going to be using this Chemical Guys heavy metal polish. See how it turns out. It should turn out pretty good, like good as new. When I got it, it usually like exhausts have like scratches on them, and there's like barely any scratches. Not even like the tip has like a little scratch, but like not even anything like noticeable. So we'll see right now how it turns out. All right, so here we go. Just gonna shake it. Put a little on there. Let's see how it turns out. That's how it's looking with just one pass. That's the after. That's how it looked before. Looks pretty good already. It just has a bunch of swirls. I'm pretty sure those will come out if I do like another like 2 passes. So we'll see how it keeps turning out. Alright, so I got the canister part of the exhaust done. I'm just gonna go over it like one more time after I do the tip, but this is how it looks. There's still swirls in it, but like looks pretty good. Just gotta do the tip. That's how that used to look, but now it's like a mirror finish. Alright guys, so I gave it a quick polish with the polisher, and this is how it turned out. It's far from perfect, but from what it was before, it looks way better, like super shiny. And you can, I don't know if it'll pick it up on camera, but you can see the logo now. That's how it looks. It still has like swirls in it, but looks pretty good to me. All right, so I'm gonna throw it on the car now. Gonna get rid of the old one, and then I'll get you guys a sound clip of how it sounds. Alright guys, so I got the car jacked up, and I'm just gonna take off those two bolts on that end, and then these two up here are 12s. Alright, so this is how they both look next to each other. Not gonna lie, this piping looks, it's like more, like the diameter of it is like thinner than that other one, but it looks like it'll fit, should fit on that, the piping I have under there, because I measured it, and there it says they both are 3 inches, so it should line up hopefully. So we'll see right now. So unfortunately with this HKS Super Dragger exhaust, it didn't fit because it wasn't long enough. The HKS, no, I'm sorry, I have apexy piping, like the N1 catless downpipe, and then the middle section is also apexy, so I guess it's shorter than whatever HKS made. So gonna have to put my other one back on. So I'm just gonna keep running my HKS high power exhaust instead of that HKS Super Dragger. Just gonna give it a quick shine, and then I'll throw it on the Eclipse.